So I'm going to attempt to replace the taillights myself, but this is an old Tupperware lid on one side, or bowl, and then I think that's a new LED on that side, I'm not sure, but either way I'm going to replace them both. For a girl who's never done this before, I was picturing something different than this. I thought it was like full out hollow in there. Interesting. So I think this should be pretty easy if I can figure out the wiring part of it, but it just goes underneath the seats in the Boler, so it should be okay. So I ordered 2 of these 7-inch round LED tail lights from Princess Auto, in case you're wondering. I don't know if it's Canadian or American company, but yeah, I'm not sure. It says .com. I don't know. I think I like the Tupperware bowl better. What do you think? Pretty good, right? Cute. They're not wired up yet, but they're on. Wow. Those are bright. I did it. I wired up taillights on my own. Yeah. Baby girl and I are just gonna see about trying out this here awning for the Boler. This looks terrible. Oh man. So the poles are from an old tent that we just threw out because it was filled with mouse holes. So, if you have any ideas, please let me know. Decided to push this over